Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Power BI reports truly interactive, letting users switch between different measures and axes on the fly, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through how to use field parameters in Power BI, so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to let viewers dynamically swap what data is displayed on your charts, without having to write any tricky DAX formulas. This is a super useful trick for dashboards that need to adapt to different audiences, so let's jump right in. Start things off by creating the measures you'll be analyzing. In Power BI, measures are kind of like the brains behind your reports. They're calculations that update automatically when your data changes. So head over to the Modeling tab and click New Measure. For this example, we'll add two measures. The first one is total sales, so just type out total sales equals sum of sales bracket sales bracket. What that's doing is adding up every sales value in our sales table. Next, we'll set up total profit in a similar way. Total profit equals sum of sales bracket profit bracket. Again, this is going to give us the sum of profits, and both are going to be available for users to pick in our slicer later on. If you've never made a measure before, don't worry, it really is as simple as just typing in that formula. If you want to pause and catch up here, feel free. Now that we've got our measures ready, we need to create what's called a field parameter. Basically, this acts as a flexible menu for users so they can pick which measure they want to see in the chart. Go back to modeling and this time choose New Parameter and then click Fields. A window will pop up that lets you select which fields or measures you want to include. Pick the Measures tab and check both total sales and total profit. Name this parameter something clear like Measure Parameter and hit Create. Power BI is going to do something cool here. It'll automatically make a new table for you called Measure Parameter, and it'll even drop a slicer visual onto your page with those measures listed. It's like a ready-made control panel for your users. Let's apply the same logic to the chart's axis. Again, head to Modeling, click New Parameter, then Fields. This time, instead of the Measures tab, choose Columns. Add in the columns you want to switch between as your axis, for example, Sales Date and Sales Product. These two will let users flip between viewing results over time or by product type. Name this one Axis Parameter and click Create. Now you'll get an axis slicer on your page as well, just like before. We're almost there, all that's left is building the actual chart. Insert a basic column chart from the Visualizations pane. For your x-axis, instead of picking a static column like you might normally do, drag in the axis parameter we just created. For your y-axis, use the Measure Parameter table. What's great here is, each parameter provides a list of fields or measures users can select right from those slicers Power BI made earlier. Make sure to add both slicers onto your report canvas so users can actually interact and pick which view they want. Now for the moment of truth, try it out. If you set the slicers to show product on the axis and sales as the measure, your chart displays sales by product. Change it up to date and profit and you'll get profit trends over time. It all updates instantly with no extra DAX code needed, no switch statements, nothing complicated, just pure flexibility. And that's it. You've now built a dynamic, interactive Power BI chart using field parameters. Give it a try, and don't worry if it takes a moment to set up the first time. Once you have it working, you'll wonder how you ever built dashboards without it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more hands-on Power BI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.